Hello students, let us read this question. Say true or false. The first statement is each angle of a rectangle is a right angle triangle. So let us consider a rectangle for this question. So let us assume that this is a rectangle ABCD, and from the properties of the rectangle we can say that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length, and all the angles of the rectangle are equal to 90 degree. So we can write that the opposite side AB will be equal to CD. Similarly, AD will be equal to BC. And all the angles, angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D is 90 degree. So these are the properties of a rectangle, and the given statement is each angle is of a rectangle is a right angle. So therefore we can say that the given statement is true. So we can write here, therefore the given statement is true. Now let us consider the second question. The second question says that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. So as we have seen in the first example, let us draw the same triangle again, rectangle again, ABCD. So this is the triangle ABCD. Now using the properties, we can say that using properties of rectangle, we can say that the opposite side, that means AB will be equal to CD, and AD will be equal to BC. So from this we can say that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, and so therefore we can say that the given statement is also true. Therefore the given statement is true. Now let us consider the third question. So the question says that the diagonal of a square are perpendicular to one another. So for this, let us consider a square. So let us assume that this is a square A, B, C, D, and we know that all the sides of a square are equal in length, and the angle of square, all the angles of the square are 90 degree. Now let us draw the diagonals. So BD and AC are the diagonals of the square, and let us assume that they intersect each other at point O. So from the diagram we can say that AB is equal to AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 90 degree. And since we have considered point O, and we can see that the diagonals intersect each other, and we can say that the distance AO is equals to OC. Similarly, DO is equals to OB. So therefore we can say that diagonals are perpendicular to each other, are perpendicular to each other. So therefore we can say that this statement is true. Now let us consider the fourth question. All the sides of a rhombus are equal length. So we can consider a rhombus here. So let us assume that this is a rhombus. So using the property A, B, C, D. So using the properties of rhombus, we can say that all the sides of a rhombus are equal in length. So AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. And our statement says that all the sides are equal in length. So therefore, we can say that statement, given statement is true. Now let us consider E. All the sides of the parallelogram are of equal length. So let us consider a parallelogram ABCD. Now using the properties of parallelogram, we can say that opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel and equal in length. So therefore we can say that AB will be equal to DC and AD will be equals to BC. But in the statement it is said that all the sides of the parallelogram are equal in length. But all the sides are not equal, so therefore only the opposite sides are equal. So therefore given statement is false. Now let us consider the next question. So the question says that the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. Let us consider a trapezium. Let us assume ABCD is a trapezium. So we know that using the properties of trapezium, we can say that one pair of opposite side of trapezium is parallel. So therefore we can say that only AB will be parallel to DC and not all the opposite sides are parallel. So therefore we can say that here that their given statement is false. So using the properties of different figures, we have find out the given statement is true or false. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.